Hello everyone, welcome to another fresh video. Today I have a RIGOL DP932U Power Supply for the detailed demo. In this video, we will explore its specification and learn how to operate it step by step. So stay with me till the end and let's get started. First, let's talk about the specification of this power supply. Channel 1 and channel 2 adjustable from a 0 to 30 volt with the maximum 3 ampere current. Channel 3 provides 6 volt at a 3 ampere output. This power supply also has an overvoltage and overcurrent protection. It supports internal, series and parallel mode, meaning you don't need any physical wiring, just select the mode through the touchscreen display. Now let's take a look at the front panel and its functions.
This is the 4.3-inch TFT touch display to display the system parameter settings, output states, menu items, prompt messages, etc. This is the channel section, selection keys and output on-off keys. This is for the press this key to select the channel 1 to control. You can set the parameter of this channel such as a voltage, current and over current protection also. Same as the channel 1 and channel 3. Pressing this key can turn the corresponding channel on and off. Pressing this all on off key, prompt message will be displayed asking whether to turn all channels on. Tap OK to turn all channels on. Pressing this key again can turn off all channels. This is the parameter input area including arrow keys, unit selection keys, numeric keypads and knob. This preset key is to restore the instrument to factory default setting. Enter key to confirm the value. Long pressing the key, you can lock the touchscreen, for which you cannot configure the instrument using a touchscreen. Long pressing the key again can unlock the touchscreen. Back key to delete the character currently before the cursor. When the instrument is in remote control, pressing this key can return to the local operation. These are the output terminals, channel 1, channel 2 and channel 3. This one is your ground terminal. This ARB key to enter the arbitrary interface, in which you can set the arbitrary parameters and enable or disable the arbitrary functions. This analyze key to set the analyzer interface, in which you can select the object to analyze and turn on and off the logger. This utility key for the utility setting interface, in which you can set parameters selected to the remote interface system outputs and options. Beside, you can also set the display. For the store key to enter the storage or recall interface, in which you can save, read, delete, copy or paste files. The files types available for the storage include the states file, log file, arbitrary files, calibration file, option installation verification file, and bitmap file. You are allowed to store a file into the internal or external memory and also recall the file from the internal or external memory. USB host port only support the flash memory USB storage device of a FAT32 format. If we talk about the back panel, there is a LAN port for the connecting LAN network via RJ485 interface. USB device connect the instrument as a slave device to external USB device such as a PC. It has a digital I/O port, USB host, AC selector, AC power input inlet socket, ground terminal, and fans ventilation holes. If we talk about the user interface, to access the interface, this section introduces the meter view display of the power supply. This is the channel identifier, actual output voltage, actual output current, output mode like a CC, CV, UR. CC is indicate the constant voltage mode, CC indicate the constant current mode, UR output is a unregulated. Two wire sense connection, actual output power, voltage setting value, over voltage protection status indicator, including the present OVP on or off state. Current setting values, overcurrent protection status indicator indicating the present OCP on off state. Here in this section, different icon will be available based on your selection, like a channel 1 and channel 2 are independent of each other. Channel 1 and channel 2 are connected in series. Channel 1 and channel 2 are connected in parallel. Our temperature protection is tripped. The screen is locked, network connected, a USB device is detected, instrument is in a remote control, the beep is turned off, the beep is turned on, downloading the firmware or upgrading file